Plaintiff Randalia Parker says she used to be friends with the defendants until they got into an argument over a man. Randalia claims one of the defendants thought Randalia was trying to date her boyfriend. As a result, 6 girls, including the 4 defendants, jumped her and assaulted her, so she's suing. Defendants Karusha Rogers, Keisha Powell, Bianca Mosley, and Sabrina Evans say Randalia instigated the fight, and they're countersuing for defamation because they claim she's lying about the assault.
Start with you.
Well, I had met Keisha around a year ago, and I had met the other ladies through Keisha, and they had asked to stay with me. And so, me being a person,
stay with you how?
Stay with me in my apartment.
Like how many were gonna stay there?
It was 2 of them at first, and then that's when they just came to visit on the weekends.
Okay. And you knew them for quite a while?
I knew Keisha. I met her through my
No, the 2 that were moving in.
No, I didn't know them. They was her friends.
Why would you do that?
Trying to be nice. Can't be nice to everyone. I know that now.
Yeah, don't be nice to people you don't know.
Yeah.
Because they may not be nice to you.
I know.
You may end up in court suing them.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
So, Bianca, she basically got mad, I guess, because she was messing with this guy. But I told her about the guy, and he
You told her what?
That he wanted to talk to me, and he told her that he wanted to talk to me also.
And then what happened?
He came over my house while she was there.
What was discussed when he was there and you 2 were there?
They had left. They was getting ready to go out to Club Faded, and they had told me to
So
meet
when
there.
he came over, who was at the place?
It was me, Karusha, and Bianca. Bianca and Karusha was getting ready to leave
and what
to go to
occurred?
Club Faded. Karusha spoke to him, and that's when she had spoke to him, but she didn't say anything. She had got her bag and said she was leaving. For some reason.
And then what?
I didn't tell her she had to leave. She just said she was getting her stuff.
There was no
going.
negative discussion?
No, sir.
All right, everything was fine?
Yes, and they
Good
had
enough.
left.
Let me hear you all side.
My boyfriend came over her house or whatever to...
Back up. You moved in with her?
No.
You came to do what?
To visit.
To visit. And your boyfriend was already over there?
No, I was over there getting dressed at her house, and I asked her, did she want to go out? Well, me and my boyfriend, I introduced my boyfriend to Randalia, and he was around all my friends. Like, we were really close like that.
Regularly?
Yeah, regularly. We go places together, everything.
So what happened that night?
Well,
that's a lie, Your Honor.
I know you don't go anywhere with him. You just move him in. Go ahead. Go ahead.
We've been going through some problems, me and my boyfriend or whatever, because I'm pregnant. So I've been, we've been arguing a lot and everything. Well, he knocked on her door, and my friend Karusha asked who it was. He said penis or whatever like that. So I'm like, we already been arguing. I didn't say nothing to him.
Did you all let him in?
I did.
All right. And what happened when he came in?
Okay. He spoke to me and Karusha.
He never said a word to her?
No.
All right. Did she say a word to him?
No.
He spoke to the 2 of you, then he left?
No, we left. We left
and he stayed there?
Uh-huh.
To do what? What did he tell you?
To have sex.
All right, then what occurred?
After they left, I had told them I would meet them at Club Faded. He brought me down there to the Club Faded to meet them. When we had pulled up, they was already talking to a group of girls. I guess they was telling them about what happened. But she didn't tell them the part that I had told her that he tried to talk to me, and I asked her her opinion.
Get to what happened. I don't want to hear all this boy and girl activity.
Okay.
So far, you sound like you were wrong.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Well, after that,
Gonna stay there with this woman's man.
The day after that, that's when they had called, Karusha had called, her and another girl had called and said that they was coming to get their things. So when she had came in, she tried to hit me, and that's when I hit her, and that's when she pulled a knife out on me.
She tried to hit you?
She hit me. That's when she hit me, and she pulled a knife out on me. And when
I thought
she pulled
you
a
said
knife
you
out,
hit her.
No, she hit me first, and then I hit her, and that's when she pulled the knife out on me. And when she pulled the knife out, that's when Bianca and Keisha and the rest of the girls came in. It was 6 of them.
Okay, let me hear that side.
Your Honor.
Who came in the apartment or the home first?
Me and another girl was there. I was changing my clothes. We was getting ready to go to the club, whatever. And the other girl was in the room trying to get her belongings from
The girl who started the fight?
No, she did not. She was trying to get her things from Randalia, and Randalia would not give her back her clothes that she stole from her. Randalia bucked at her and hit that girl. That girl didn't even hit her
She
back.
hit the girl.
Yeah,
girl
yeah.
said, I want my clothes. She said, pow!
No, look, I'm telling you, you the truth.
I know you are.
She kept
That's
on
enough.
acting like her
I
clothes.
got you. I got
Okay.
you. Did you get the police involved?
Yes, sir. I had a police report here.
Let's see it. Did any of you jump in?
Yes,
Not
sir.
one of you hit her.
Nope.
All right, good
I have
enough.
the
I fought
damages.
her.
Pardon me?
I fought her.
Okay, so why did your friend say none of you hit her?
I'm thinking for myself.
Pardon me?
They didn't.
I said did any, and you said no.
well,
I didn't
I'm
ask
speaking
you
for
for
myself.
yourself.
Well,
So you
yeah.
lied.
I
Did
fought
I
you
her.
hit
intended
her?
to lie.
Yes, sir, because she pushed
Pardon
me.
I said I wasn't intending to lie.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir, because she pushed me. I witnessed Randelia keep pushing a girl that's not here. She kept on pushing her. All she was saying is, can I get my clothes? So I went to go. I was like, dude, we not trying to fight you or anything like that. Can you just please get this girl her clothes so we can leave? She said, no. I went to go get her clothes and Randelia pushed me. So in return, I stood up and I looked at her like, why'd you push me? And she jumped at me, so in self-defense, I fought her back.
So let me get this right. When the girl who owned the clothes requested her clothes, she pushed her. She assaulted her. And you were right there, right?
Yes, sir.
And you just stood back and watched?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then you asked for the clothes, and then she assaulted you. Right?
Yes, sir.
And then you fought back then.
Yes, sir.
What did the other girl do?
Nothing. They just
She
stood
just
back and
stood back
laughed.
while you fought.
Yeah.
Good enough. Don't believe that.
Your Honor.
What?
She is not
Were you
innocent.
there
She got-
when she?
Yeah, I
What
was
did you
there.
see?
I came
oh,
to
so
get
you
my
just
dress.
watched too?
Yeah, I watched. Your Honor, I'm pregnant. I don't
You
need to be out
watched two
fighting
girls
nobody.
get assaulted, and you just stood there, didn't you? All right, I got you.
Yeah.
Did you tell the police that?
I didn't see no
You didn't talk to the
police.
police? Did you press
Yes, sir. I
charges?
called the police. The police came to my apartment. Sabrina had went to this girl that stays in my apartment's house. I guess they moved in with her because they had nowhere else to go. So when she went over there, the police couldn't get them out of the house. That's what the police stated to me. And my mom, I called my mom came.
Okay. Come on up, ma'am. State your name.
I'm Jaton Parker. On that night of it was 7:06. My daughter called me. It was around 12:15 at night. She was crying. She said, "Mama, they jumped me." Okay. I said, "Who jumped you?" She said, "Well, 6 girls ran in on me." She named the girls. Okay. When I got there, Your Honor, the police were there. I asked him what was going on. He said they kicked in her, busted in her house and ganged her. I was so upset when I went in her apartment. It was just tore up, holes in the wall. They threw TVs and everything.
And we have pictures.
And yes, sir.
I see it.
Also, the police officer told me that they were he was going across the street. They would not open the door. We have witnesses' testimonies saying that they told the other people not to tell them that they were in there.
And here's the, this is for the damages, the payments of the damages.
This is.
Yes, sir. This is what the police report.
This is for the drywall
Let's see the
damage,
witness
the
statements.
furniture damages.
The receipt.
She said the witness.
Okay, I'm finna get the. Did you?
Your counterclaim for $5,000 for defamation and harassment is for what?
Because for one, that right there, what is being said is
What
a lie.
right there? That right there what?
Your Honor, didn't
know what
nobody.
you're saying.
We didn't.
Nobody
we didn't,
ran in her
I
house,
didn't put my
Your
hands on
Right.
her. She
So
let
your
us in her
defamation
house.
claim is because she's lying on you?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes.
good enough. I'm going to adjourn and read the witness statements. When I come back, I'll let you know what my decision is. Okay, once again, you're suing the defendants, alleging that they assaulted you. The allegations were that you, after having moved a couple of them in, you had one of their boyfriends with you at your apartment or home while they went to the club. And then they returned and you say assaulted you. Their story is you wouldn't give one of the parties who is not here their things. And so you assaulted the person who asked for their things. And then while the witness was standing back watching, suddenly you left the other person and came to assault her. And she stood back and watched. Let me read the witness statement. I went over to the house and saw bruises all over her legs. She also had a bruise in her right eye, underneath it in the corner of it. She told me she was jumped by 6 girls. Another witness statement. I just seen 2 girls go in, and then I seen 4 girls go in. All I heard was, "Don't tell the police." They went back in the house. Another statement. You all were bragging. They bragged to me after they got done in the car and about how they had beat her like it was funny to go. to gain one person. I have the evidence of you all destroying the property. The police witnessed the property being. I know you didn't. I know you didn't. Judgment for the plaintiff based on the evidence, based on the witness statement, based on the damage that both them and the police observed. Your case and the four of you are dismissed. Have a good day.